In this video I have a go at creating fluid art. I've been following Virginia's fluid art channel, and I want to see how easy or difficult is it really. Let's give it a go.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you. First of all, let me take just a moment to thank you for allowing me back into your homes. If this is your first time with us, let me extend a personal invitation for you to drag out your oil paints and paint along with us each week. Let's go over to the canvas here and let's get started. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. Let's build a happy little cloud. Let's build some happy little trees. There are no limits here. Start out by believing here. You can almost paint with anything. All you have to do is practice. There are no limits here. Start out by believing here. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas. Believe that you can do it. Cause you can do it. Give it a little touch. Give it a little push. Make love to the canvas. Give it a little touch. Give it a little push. Caress it. Very gentle. Grab it. Lift it. Fluff it. You can go on and on and on. Back and forth, layer after layer after layer. Let's build a happy little cloud. Let's build some happy little trees. There are no limits here. You start out by believing here. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas. Believe that you can do it. Cause you can do it. Relax, let it flow. Think like water. Relax, let it flow. You can go on and on and on. We don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents. You can do anything that you want to do. Total power. Sing along, have a good time. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas. Believe that you can do it. Cause you can do it. Cause you can do it. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart.
I can't paint anything.
It never wears out, and you can't paint over it.
Subscribe, join my tribe tonight. No bribes, no need, we'll make it right. Mr. H2S is where we vibe. Come on now, take the ride. I can't do it alone, I need your support. Life's a journey, but this is our port. Sponsor the dream, let's go explore. Together we'll create, and so much more. Whoa.
You can't paint that.
You can't just stay in here and paint every day.
Are you crazy?
All this is true because it rhymes.
After a few days waiting, the paint is finally dry.
Yeah, but can Mr. H2S make this look like a finished painting? Stay with us and let's find out.
Your confidence in your work makes me proud.
Okay, while I fiddle with the stencil, let's put on some painting beats. And a smile.
Yes, smile every day. And let's get busy with some happy tunes.
I'm working. Hip, hop, body don't stop.
I step with style, man, I aim to survive. Bagpipes wailing while the beats come alive. Scratch Precision vinyl makes the rhythm so tight. Join my tribe, subscribe, we'll take flight tonight. Subscribe, my tribe, I can't be denied. Throw your hands up high, let the world collide. Give $1, show love, I'll graffiti your name. Mr. H2S fam, rising up in the game. A bribe I can't pay, but my vibe won't decay. Content stay fresh, never let y'all astray. The pipes they scream, the beats that they bop. Make that move, hit subscribe, never stop. Let the bagpipes echo in the urban sprawl. Scratching deep cuts where the big beats call. Sponsor my hustle, throw some love my way. I'll paint your name big wherever I lay. Subscribe, join my tribe, I can't be denied. Throw your hands up high, let the world collide. Give $1, show love, I'll graffiti your name. H2S rolls in with the morning light, a world of dreams within his sight, feeding cats and crows so free, smiling wide for all to see, chasing sunsets across the skies, graffiti marks where legends rise, YouTube chronicles his trip, freedom song upon his lips.
That's all there is to it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I make content full-time every day. If you like what I do and want to support, please consider becoming a sponsor. Thank you for watching, Mr. H2S. Never forget to smile.
Unstoppable charge, we're all alive. Subscribe to the beat, join my tribe. Bagpipes soar our anthem loud. Dreams are our wings, we rule the crowd.
Now I'm just playing. I want to make a puzzle out of these bricks. I love to play. Don't you? Have a beautiful day. Never forget to smile.
Oh, wait, don't go. I hope you enjoyed the show tonight. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Come back again soon, guys.